To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline. Before we get going, make sure you have your clip open in the trimmer. If you don't see it, just click on it in the Media tab to bring it up there. Alright, select your video clip on the timeline and click the Make Composite Shot button. The default settings work fine, so I'm just going to hit OK. In here, select your clip and use the Ctrl-D keyboard shortcut to duplicate it. Then go over to the effects panel and type black into the search box. Drag the black and white effect under Film Looks onto your bottom video. Then search for Hue in the effects search box. Drag the Hue and RGB key effect onto your top clip. Open up the Hue and RGB key settings for your top clip. Click and drag the eyedropper to select the color you'd like to isolate from your clip. Now, if your clip is like mine and has the colors inverted, click the checkbox next to Invert to switch them. Alright, this looks pretty good. If yours doesn't look quite right, adjust the tolerance to try to get a more accurate color selection. Another thing you can try is switching the Match Color By to RGB. Or you can tweak the edge softness a bit as well. Mine definitely was working better with Match Colors by Hue, so I'm going to go back to that. Alright, and now when I play this back, I have a nice looking Sin City effect. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.